Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what I believe is the best alternative to the Nars Climax Extreme Mascara, the Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara in Intense Black. If you're looking for dramatic volume, full length, a stunning curl, and lift without any clumping or crunch, this might just be your new holy grail. The Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara promises major lash transformation with just one coat. You get instant volume that's bold and buildable, giving you those thick, luscious lashes without needing falsies, primers, or fiber mascaras. What's really unique about this mascara is its custom blend of soft, flexible waxes and lash conditioners that ensure your lashes stay soft and weightless, even after multiple coats. This means no crunchiness or clumping, which can be a deal breaker with some volumizing mascaras. The wand itself is designed with a curved shape and crimped bristles, which work together to wrap around each individual lash, coating them evenly from root to tip. This 360-degree application ensures that every lash is covered, giving you a fuller and more dramatic effect. Plus, the design lets you layer the mascara effortlessly, so you can build up your look as much as you want without worrying about spider lashes or clumps. One of the standout features of the Stila Huge Mascara is its long-lasting formula. It's smudge-proof and won't flake throughout the day, which means your lashes stay looking freshly done from morning until night. And if you wear contact lenses or have sensitive eyes, this mascara has been clinically tested to be safe and non-irritating, making it a solid option for almost everyone. The rich, glossy black color is another highlight. It really makes your eyes pop with intense depth and drama. This triple black pigment adds to the fullness and impact of your lashes, perfect for those who want a bold eye look that stands out. Aside from performance, Stila is a brand known for cruelty-free products, and this mascara is paraben-free and non-toxic, which is great if you're conscious about clean beauty. It's also made in Italy, which often means attention to quality and detail. In terms of usage, the directions are simple. Start at the base of your lashes and sweep the wand upward and outward to separate, lengthen, and build volume. You can repeat the process for added drama. Whether you're going for a natural day look or a full-on glamorous effect, this mascara adapts well to your needs. The packaging is sleek and practical, a 0.44 fluid ounce tube that fits comfortably in your makeup bag or purse. It's perfect for travel or daily use without feeling bulky. Overall, the Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara offers a powerful performance that rivals some of the most talked about mascaras on the market, including the Nars Climax Extreme. It delivers volume, length, curl, and lift with a smooth, clump-free finish that keeps your lashes looking their best all day long. If you want those dramatic lashes without the fuss of fake extensions or tricky application, this mascara is definitely worth trying. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an honest product review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.